Good evening, everybody. We're going to try something new again tonight. I want to see how far we can go with resiblast, and we know it doesn't cause any residue, which is excellent, but let's see how far we can go with it, how much we can use before it may cause pitting. May not, and it may. So let's find out. So we're going to do a round tonight, a small one. I'm going to do a dirty pour with resin, and we are using jet black, winter white, and we are going to use two of the fluorescent pastes that I made up the other day of the language. I've done something different. I put a little bit, well, maybe about 3 drops right in the resin before I poured the resin into my colors. Now we're gonna do even more. We are going to put a drop in each color, and I'm just gonna give it a little, this one didn't go down, it got on the stick. I'm gonna give it a little stir. And then we're going to do our layers. And what goes in first comes out last. So let's put the yellow in first. A bit of yellow. Give a little squirt of the resiblast. Let's do the black. A little squirt of resiblast. Let's do the pink. Oop. Resiblast. White. Resiblast. Yellow. I only want to do 3, so resiblast. After the yellow, what did I use? The black, right? Well, let's put in white this time. Resiblast. The pink. Resiblast. The black. Resiblast. The white, which will probably make a gray, but we'll see. A bitty resiblast, a bit, yellow, resiblast, and pink. I don't have room for any more black. I want you to see what's happening in the cup already. So let's try this. Ready? Flip. I'm going to poke a hole in the top of this cup. There we go. There we go. Look at the cup. Cool. Oh my goodness. Look at what's happening already. So I'm tilting, trying to bring it around before I let it go over the edge so that everything's covered. Edge is covered? Nope. Okay, I'm just going to walk around. Edges all covered. Edges are all covered except for right here. There's a spot. Now it is. Okay, so let's clean my hands off a bit. I love experiments. I really do. let's see now. I'll add a bit of heat with the torch. We don't have to worry about bubbles, but we do want to see cells pop up from the resiblast and see what it does overnight. If I knew how to put my camera, if anybody knows how to do this, I have an iPhone, okay? You're looking at this at an iPhone. If someone could teach me how I could leave this on for, you know, the 6 hours or whatever, and then have it fast, so I'm not, you know what I mean. So we speed up the whole camera, and you can watch this develop overnight quickly. Because right now, I know you're seeing these cells popping up. This is just friggin' awesome. But this is not even what it will do through the night, or well, while it's curing. It'll come up with even more while it's curing. And I want you to be able to see that. So if someone could message me and tell me how to do that with an iPhone, then that would be perfect. And I'll do this again on another night and let you guys, oh my God, watch it. I'd love to see it. You know, I don't want to sit down here and watch it for hours. I've got 2 doggies that need to go for walks and a husband who needs some attention once in a while because he gives it to me all the time. So, and I've got customers to answer and packages to make up and ship out, so I can't sit down here. Oh, and sleep would be good. So if one of you knows how to do that with an iPhone, let me know so we can do this and you can watch it in quick mode, how these cells keep popping up. But for now, this was a quick video. It was a great experiment, and I want you to come down and see what's happening already, okay? So look at this, guys. This is resiblast. We definitely know that there is no residue when this is cured. Nothing at all to clean off. But this is going to tell us how much of this we can get away with before it starts to, if it's even going to, pit. I know resiblast pits, and I know, have I been calling this resiblast? This is Chromachaos. You guys know that, right? Sorry. Oh, good Lord. We know that resiblast causes pits and residue, and we know that silicone causes pits and residue. But we now know that Chromachaos does not cause residue, and I'm hoping that I can use this much of it and still not get pitting, but we won't know until tomorrow. But right now, it looks awesome, and these cells are popping and growing, and this is friggin' awesome. So there you go. And if I have been calling it resiblast, please forgive me. I was doing the comparison, and I guess it was in my head. This is our Canada's own Chromachaos. My guy made it, and he's friggin' awesome. So there you go. There you go. So we'll check in on this in the morning and see. Fingers crossed. Pray to God that there is no pits. Okay, so I gotta show you something. Okay, geodes, you know geodes get the best of me, right? Okay. But I'm going to have, Dashana's going to come up in August, and we're going to do a video together, and she's going to teach me how to do a good geode. Okay, but alcohol inks scare me too. I don't know how to control them. I'm going to slowly teach myself, watch videos, the whole bit. So I had some fun with it today, just for fun. And I did this piece. Okay, on a tile. And I did this piece. Now I love the gold. I love the effect that it had. And I did this piece on a tile. So, you know, I'm nowhere near good. I'm nowhere near anything. Not even a beginner. But it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun. And I'm learning carefully, slowly, that if you're afraid of something, just do it. Just do it. Worst can happen, it doesn't turn out. Big deal. So I'm gonna just do it. So guys, we will check in on this piece again. Look at that. In the morning. And whether it is pitted or not, I will show you. I want you to know the truth. Because that was a lot of Chromachaos. There were a few drops in the resin itself. There was a drop or two in each color. And then each layer of color was another drop of Chromachaos. So that's a lot of Chromachaos in one art piece. So we will see. Good or bad, this is a test, right? And you have the right to know as much as I would like to know. So there you go, guys. Have a very wonderful Tuesday evening. I'll see you tomorrow.